Hi everyone, I am Rahul. Now I am here to discuss about the topic light. At first, we should know what is light. Light is a source of energy that makes anything visible. The sources of lights are very too much around us, but we have to discuss about those resources where we get light in proper manners. At first, we should know about the sources of light according to their appearance, according to their visibility, according to their sources. The sources are of two types. First is luminous and second is non-luminous. At first, we are going to discuss about luminous objects. The objects that acquire their own light or the object that emit their own light is called luminous object. As for example, sun, stars, electric bulb, which is glow right now in my class. And second is non-luminous object. The object that doesn't emit their own light is called non-luminous object. As for example, there is a marble in my hand. It is also example of non-luminous object. Now, these two are the sources of light. Now we are going to discuss our next one that is related to that particular topic is the surface of lights. That means the medium through which the light can pass or the medium through which the light cannot be passed, and these are three. First is transparent object or medium, that is called medium as well. Transparent medium. Second is translucent medium, and third is opaque medium and surface as well. At first, we are going to discuss about transparent medium. The medium, a medium of light through which the light can pass easily from one side to other side. From one side to other side, that is called transparent medium. Second is translucent medium. The medium through which, or the surface through which the light can pass, but partially, that is called translucent medium. An example is oily paper. The proper and appropriate example of translucent medium is oily paper, and the appropriate example of transparent medium is plastic bottles, and all many examples that surround us. And last one is opaque medium. The medium through which the light cannot pass, that is called opaque medium. Okay, done? Clear? Now there is a point between transparent and opaque. We can make a transparent medium a opaque one. After coating one side of transparent medium, then this transparent medium or this transparent surface can be changed into opaque surface or medium as well. Now, what is reflection? The bouncing back of light from a plane surface. The bouncing back of light from a plane surface or a regular surface is called reflection. It's called reflection. As we know that there are two kinds of reflection. First is regular reflection and second is irregular reflection. Now we are going to discuss about what is regular reflection. The reflection through a plane surface, through through a smooth surface is called regular reflection, and the reflection through a rough surface is called irregular reflection. It's called irregular reflection. Now we have to go a step forward and know about the laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. As we know that there are two laws of reflection. First is, and the first is incident ray. Incident ray, normal ray, and reflected ray. And reflected ray all are lie on same plane at point of incidence. Now I never ever discuss about the incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray in my whole class of 5 or 6 minutes. But now we are comes on the path where we have to know about incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray. At first we have to take a plane surface. Then a light ray which touch a point of plane surface and they bounce back on the same path. These two parts creates incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray. Now the ray which point on plane mirror, that ray is called incident ray. Incident ray. And the ray which reflect towards incidence, and the ray after reflection reflect towards the same path of incident ray, that is called reflected ray. Reflected. And the imaginary line draw between incident ray and reflected ray, that is called normal ray. As I discussed, incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray all are lie on same plane. That is called point of incidence. So here O is a point of incidence where incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray all are lie on same plane, and as I discussed here in law number 1 that incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray all are lying on the same plane. Now the second law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Clear? Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Now the angle created between normal ray and incident ray, that is called angle of incidence. And the angle created between normal ray and reflected ray, that is called angle of reflection. Now this is all about the topic light from my side. All the best.